Good morning, sir. Today I want to share everything I've been learning from the studying how to write chapter 1 of a thesis, which that typically titled the problem and its settings. Before diving in, I'll admit to you to make chapter 1 was just a simple outline, but now I know it's the conditions that make or break a research study. I learned that chapter 1 is not just one big section. It has 7 key parts that all work together. Introduction, statement of the problem, rationale and hypothesis, significance of the study, definitions of term, scope and delimitations, and conceptual framework. Each page built on the last to create a clear roadmap for the entire research. Writing the introductions was stickering that I accepted. I found one out in it to cover several things, stating the problems, definitions, why is the conceptual sharing, the rationale for the study, and even link it back to the main problem. For example, it's studying science teachings you might start by talking about science's impact on the society. Then moves to the gaps. It's a correct instructions. It's all about setting states literally. That's what really stuck with me. You need a general problem first, then break it into specific questions. These questions have to be clear researchable on their own, and when you put all the answers together, they should tell the whole story. No figure the learned language alone. Every question needs just one meaning. Before this, I mix this up all the time. Exceptional are things we take are true, like assuming there is a standard qualifications for teachers. Hypotheses are education goals for the experimental studies, and there are two types of operations. Rational saying. There's difference, and until saying there is not just one use modern. I learned this part is crucial because it explains who benefits and how. You have to talk about the relevance, possible solutions, beneficiaries from students to have whole community, and even how it might and add to what we already know. It's where you show why your research is worth doing. One big mistake I almost made was skipping this, but defining terms is so important. Only define a word with official meaning in your study, and you can do it operationally. How you use it, or cite trusted source, and always spell out acronyms the first time you use them. These sections keep your studying focus. You have to outline your purpose, what you are studying, where you are doing it, who you are asking, and when you are collecting data. I also learned to include limitations like responded perceptions might not be 100% correct because being honest about weakness makes your study more credible. Think of this your study blueprint. It's based on existing research tailored to your problem, and it guides everything you do. You can even turn into a paradigm, a diagram that show how variable connect like inputs, teacher facilities leading to output studying skill. Overall, what Overall, what I learned most is that chapter 1 is not just about following rules, and about building a strong logically foundations that make your research clear and trustworthy. Even sections matter, and taking the time to get a right saved so much work later on.